Hi everyone, I am Simran Sharma and I hope you all are keeping safe and well. The current COVID situation has been challenging for each one of us, and we at Amazon have been trying to do our best to help you manage your business during these testing times. Today, through this live video, I'm going to take you through some of our initiatives that Amazon have rolled out in past couple of weeks, which we hope will help you during these challenging times. और इससे पहले कि हम आगे लाइव सेशन में बढ़े, मैं आप सभी को रिकमेंड करना चाहूँगी कि आप प्लीज़ इस SMB कोविड-19 हेल्प रिसोर्स पेज को बुकमार्क करके रखें. हम लगातार इस पेज पे आपके लिए यूज़फुल इंफॉर्मेशन, पॉलिसीज़, अमेज़ॉन पावर्ड न्यू इनिशिएटिव्स को अपडेट करते रहते हैं. तो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आप इस पेज को वीकली विजिट करें सो दैट आप एकदम मोस्ट अपडेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन को पा सकें. और इस पेज का लिंक हम आप सभी के साथ कमेंट बॉक्स में शेयर करेंगे. Now with that note, let's quickly move on to the initiatives. The first initiative I want to talk to you about is COVID-19 health insurance policy. So sellers, we have arranged a free of cost COVID-19 health insurance for each one of you. The health insurance policy is provided by Echo General Insurance Limited with a total cover of 50,000 rupees. प्लीज़ नोट, ये हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस आपके लिए फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, यानी कि आपका जितना भी प्रीमियम होगा वो सारा अमेज़ॉन के थ्रू बियर किया जाएगा. यू डू नॉट नीड टू पे एनीथिंग फॉर दिस इंश्योरेंस. While we sincerely hope that you stay healthy and you do not need to use this insurance policy, this cover is to ensure that you have at least one less thing to worry about as you continue to manage your business. The enrollment process is pretty simple. It's hassle free. You do not need to submit any medical test to opt in. All you need to do is to fill out the personal details on Seller Central. We will validate your details and reach out to you with the status of your application. Let me just quickly explain you about the enrollment process. सो कोविड-19 हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस का एनरोलमेंट, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, एकदम हेसल फ्री है, सिंपल इजी प्रोसेस है. आपको इसे ऑप्ट करने के लिए कोई मेडिकल टेस्ट सबमिट नहीं करना है. आपको सिर्फ अपनी डिटेल्स फिल करके हमें शेयर करनी है, जिसका वैलिडेशन हम अपने एंड पे करेंगे. और जैसे ही आपकी डॉक्यूमेंट्स का वैलिडेशन होता है, आवर टीम विल रीच आउट टू यू विद द स्टेटस ऑफ एप्लीकेशन. Now if I talk about the eligibility criteria, so if you are a seller who have had at least one active listing on Amazon.in any time between 1st January 2020 and 1st May 2021, you can be eligible for this insurance. Also, you should be between the age of 18 to 60 years, and of course you need to submit your personal details on the opt-in form that you can find on Seller Central as well as on the landing page that we are talking about. Sellers, the last date of enrollment for this insurance policy is 30th June. So please hurry up and opt in for this insurance, and I would urge you to apply for it as soon as possible. Let's move on to the next initiative I want to talk to you about is COVID-19 vaccination cost reimbursement. It is quite a self-explanatory thing. What we are doing, that as COVID-19 vaccine become available to individuals above 18 years of age in India, we encourage you to get vaccinated at the earliest. It is the appropriate time to protect yourself, your families, and your communities. So as a step towards our commitment to help those in need, we have offered to cover the COVID-19 vaccination cost for all eligible marketplace sellers and one of their eligible dependent per seller account up to the maximum value of 850 rupees per dose. So this is about it. You can go on Seller Central. You will be able to download your reimbursements authorization letter there. You will need to fill up a small form to send us your detail. You will also need to upload a copy of your payment invoice, your vaccination certificate, and the reimbursement authorization letter, so that we can process the reimbursement post validation. The payment will be credited into the bank account directly that is associated to your Seller Central account. Eligibility criteria for this one is also similar to the one I explained to you for health insurance. The benefit is available to all the sellers on Amazon.in with an active listing from 1st January till 1st May 21. The complete qualification criteria should be there. You can check it on our page. Please ensure that you save a copy of your payment invoice for vaccination. It will be required for processing your reimbursement. And you can so one more important thing, you can only apply for reimbursement once. So if you wish to reimburse the cost of both the vaccine, please apply only after you have taken both second dose as well. Now अगर आपको इसके बारे में कोई और डिटेल या फिर इस पॉलिसी के रिलेटेड कोई और क्वेरी है, सो आप लैंडिंग पेज को विजिट कीजिए. यहाँ पे आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी. द होल प्रोसेस इज प्रिटी सिंपल. प्लीज डू विजिट द पेज एंड यूज द बेनिफिट फॉर योर सेल्फ एंड योर फैमिली. नेक्स्ट वन इज Amazon Wings. So participants, we have partnered with Keto. Keto, this is a crowdfunding platform to enable our sellers who have launched their business on Amazon to raise funds in order to support the community of people that depend on your business for their livelihood. अगर आपका बिजनेस आर्टिसंस, अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड वर्कर्स एटसेट्रा को सपोर्ट करता है, तो आप Amazon Wings क्राउड फंडिंग कैंपेन के ज़रिए इन वर्कर्स की डेली अर्निंग में मदद कर सकते हैं. सो आप पेज को विजिट कीजिए, आप सारी डिटेल्स एक बार पढ़िए. आपको अगर लगता है इफ़ यू वांट टू गो फॉर इट, इसका भी प्रोसेस बहुत ही सिंपल है. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज़ fill out a form provided on Amazon Wing page on Keto, and we will reach out to you with the further details. You can find the link of it as well on the landing page. Now the fourth one that I want to talk about is seller fee waiver. So seller fee waiver, participants, you might already be aware about it, as we have been doing a lot of we have been spreading a lot of awareness around it on our FBCUG as well. So we have recently launched these fee waivers in order to mitigate the negative impacts on sellers' accounts and seller performance due to the current COVID situation on ground. We have also announced a couple of fee, policy relaxations, including the fee waivers. So first one is SOA fee waiver that I want to talk about. To help small businesses during this time, we are waiving off 50% of the sell on Amazon or referral fee from 1st May 2021 to 15th June 2021. Of course, there is some eligibility criteria to opt for it. I would request to you to check the page and get all the details about it. And then there is a storage and removal fee reimbursement, and then there is referral and fulfillment fee for cancel orders. So you can go and read all these details on the landing page. That they are fairly explained over there. And we have also rolled out some relaxations for claim and reimbursement policy and on account performance metric, so that we can help you minimize any negative impact caused by pandemic on your business. So that's about it. Lastly, I want to tell you a little more about this landing page to make it easier for you to find the support you require. We have collated a list of resources based on your location and requirement from third-party sources and made it available to you. during these testing times, we all have seen people struggling to find the verified resources when they needed them the most, and hence this page can keep all of us prepared for unforeseen emergency situations. On this page, you can also find state-wise government portals that are being frequently updated with the details and availability of hospitals and bed in your city. So you can file all these details. And again, I'm telling you, please do visit this page. Please bookmark it, utilize it at its best. And yeah, one thing to note here, that these are the list of third-party crowdfunders, user-created or websites for critical COVID-19 requirement grouped by types of resources. We have collaborated with them to make them, available for you. And with that, I would want to take your leave. Thank you so much for being with us. And if you have, if you still carry any query around what we covered today, please leave in the comment box. We will try to answer as soon as possible. And thank you once again. Stay safe, stay healthy, get yourself vaccinated, and let's fight with this pandemic together. Thank you.